Guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. In today's video we are going to answer ARI wallet daily quiz. Let's go together and answer it together with you. As I promised to provide a daily quiz for ARI wallet, so here today we are going to answer it together with you. If this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Let's claim our daily check-in, which is 30 ARI. So let's go for a quiz. So the question of the day: what is the main purpose of layer 2 solution? So the main purpose for layer 2 solution: improving blockchain scalability. Since layer 2 it is not a layer 1 blockchain, it is a blockchain that created under a new blockchain. So here is the answer, which is number 3, which is C. So let's click on checking. So congratulations, I've been clicking the correct answer. So here it is. If this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload the video. Thank you.